Hello guys, happy Tuesday. This video is about Kaspa. So guys, Kaspa is a fast, scalable layer 1 cryptocurrency built on proof of work. POW means proof of work and powered by the Ghost DAG protocol. So guys, if you are a fan of this project, the current price of Kaspa is 0.075 US dollars. So guys, Kaspa is down in 24 hours 2.84%. So guys, if you have spare money, you can take advantage of the current price of Kaspa. So guys, you can buy some Kaspa with spare money. If you have Coin Market app, you click on Markets. When you click on Markets, you will see the list of crypto exchange where you can buy this project. If you click on News, you will get detailed news about this project. If you click on Yield, you will see platforms where you can stake or platform where you can earn more by saving or staking this project. So guys, you can check this project out. So guys, if you have CoinGecko, you can search for Kaspa ecosystem. So guys, this is the Kaspa ecosystem. If you are interested in some of the projects some of the projects on Kaspa ecosystem, conduct your detailed research. But this project, Zeal, this is the first, I think this should be the first decentralized exchange or protocol on Kaspa. So guys, Zilla Swap is the first automated market maker decentralized exchange on the Kaspa blockchain. So guys, I'll be interested in this. You can buy this on some platforms, CoinEx, if you are interested in this project, but I will wait for other exchange to list this project before I buy this project. So guys, on Coin Market app, you click on About. When you click on About, you click on Website. So guys, this is the Kaspa website. Kaspa Beyond the Block. Kaspa is the fastest open source, decentralized, and fully scalable layer 1 in the world. The world first block DAG, a digital ledger enabling parallel blocks and instant transaction confirmation, built on a robust proof of work engine with rapid single second block intervals, built by industry pioneer led by the people. So guys, if you want to get more detailed information about Casper, you can check their Discord, Telegram, Twitter, and other platforms. So guys, this is the Casper website. Buy Casper quickly and easily by integrating Topper. Uphold fiat to crypto unwrap on the Kaspa.org site. So guys, if you check out the Kaspa website, you can get detailed information about Kaspa. So guys, you can check it out. So guys, if you want to store your Kaspa safely, you can check out the latest wallet for Kaspa. So guys, these are examples of wallets you can use to store your Kaspa. So guys, you can use Caspian mobile wallet. If we click on Google Play, you can easily download this wallet. So guys, I have this wallet already. So this is the wallet for Kaspa. This is the wallet for Kaspa. So you can receive Kaspa and you can also send Kaspa. So guys, don't forget this. So guys, you can also check other wallets for Kaspa. You can store your Kaspa on one key wallet. You can store your Kaspa on SafePower wallet. You can use any of these wallets to store your Kaspa safely. So guys, let us check out some of the wallets where you can store your Kaspa. So guys, I have Now Wallet. If you have Now Wallet, you can search for KAS. So guys, you can store your Kaspa in Now Wallet. If you have SafePower Wallet, if you have SafePower Wallet, guys, you can also store Kaspa on SafePower Wallet. So guys, you can buy Kaspa. You can use any of the wallets to store your Kaspa. So guys, if you like this video, subscribe, share and comment.